Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix application startup error 0xC0000006 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error 0xC0000006 while starting the application, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just press Windows plus R key, then type here msconfig. Hit enter. You have to just uncheck this option, load startup items, click on apply, then click on startup. You are seeing like this. Then click on this startup apps. After clicking startup, in bottom you will find hide all Microsoft services. You have to just uncheck this option. After unchecking, here you will find disable all. After clicking disable all, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, you have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, then type cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC or laptop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix application startup error 0xC0000006 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.